Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Analytics with LinkedIn traffic dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin panel located at the bottom left corner of the interface. In the admin panel, select the property for which you want to track LinkedIn traffic. Click on Data Streams under the Property column. Select the web data stream associated with your website. Scroll down to the Tagging Instructions section. Here, you will find your measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID for later use. Next, log into your LinkedIn Ads account. Click on the account you wish to manage. Navigate to the Account Assets menu. Select Conversion Tracking from the drop-down. Click on the Create a Conversion button. In the Conversion Creation interface, provide a name for your conversion. Set the conversion type to website. Under Website URL, enter the URL of the page you want to track. Scroll down to the section labeled Tracking Source. Choose Google Analytics from the options available. Paste the measurement ID you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Specify any additional settings, such as conversion window and value. Once you have configured the settings, click Create to complete the process. Now, return to Google Analytics. In the Admin panel, click on Goals under the View column. Create a new goal by selecting the plus New Goal button. Choose a template or custom option that best suits your tracking needs. Configure the goal details, including destination URL and other relevant settings. Click Continue to finalize your goal setup. Save the changes to ensure the goal is active. To test the setup, navigate to your LinkedIn Ads account and generate some traffic. After allowing some time for data to populate, return to Google Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.